Your imagination is God within you, the creative force that shapes your reality. What you imagine and feel as true in your mind will inevitably be mirrored in your external world. This is the essence of manifesting your desires. But how do you do this effectively? How do you communicate with the universe so that your wishes are granted? Asking the universe isn't just about making a wish. It's about aligning your inner state with the reality you want to experience. This isn't just a verbal request, it's a vibrational one. It's the feeling behind your desire that matters most. The key to successful manifestation is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means living as if your desire has already been fulfilled, feeling the joy, peace, or excitement as if it's already yours. When you do this, you're not just asking, you're affirming that it is done. One of the most powerful techniques is the art of assumption. This involves assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled and living in that state consistently. Here's how you can practice this. Identify your desire. Be clear about what you want. Whether it's a new job, a relationship, or a state of peace, clarity is crucial. Visualize. Close your eyes and vividly imagine a scene that implies your desire has already been fulfilled. Make it as real as possible in your mind's eye. Feel the emotion. This is the most critical step. Feel the emotions you would feel if your desire were already a reality. Let these emotions wash over you until you genuinely believe it's done. Live in the end. After your visualization, carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Live as if your wish is already fulfilled, and maintain this state of belief. Feel the gratitude of having your wish fulfilled. Say thank you to the universe for bringing your wish into your reality. The most powerful prayer is the gratitude prayer. Say thank you for everything you have and for everything you wish to have as if you already have it. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting your desires is doubt. Doubts and negative thoughts can creep in, causing you to question whether your desire will ever manifest. The key is to persist in the feeling of the wish fulfilled, regardless of external circumstances. While manifesting, keep in mind that the 3D is only a mirror to your old self. When doubts arise, acknowledge them, but don't dwell on them. Instead, return to the feeling of your desire already being a reality. Reaffirm that it is done. Remember, persistence is key. Do not waver in your assumption. When you hold steady in your belief, the universe has no choice but to align with your vibration. There is a story of a woman who used the power of assumption to manifest her dream job. She followed this technique by visualizing herself in her desired role, feeling the emotions of success and fulfillment every day. Within a few months, she was offered the exact position she had imagined. Another example is a man who healed his relationship by consistently imagining harmonious interactions with his partner. He focused on the feeling of love and connection, and over time, their relationship transformed. Faith and belief are fundamental. When you ask the universe, you're not just hoping for a change. You're expecting it. You are it. This level of faith is what moves mountains. According to your faith, be it unto you. Your belief is the engine that drives your manifestation. When you truly believe that what you've asked for is already yours, the universe must bring it to you. This is the law. Your inner conviction creates your external reality. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of manifestation. When you express gratitude for something before it has manifested, you're reinforcing your belief that it is already done. This is another way of aligning with the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Start each day by giving thanks for the things you're manifesting. This simple practice will accelerate the process and keep you in the vibration of receiving. When you're aligned with your desire, the universe will guide you to take the right steps at the right time. Trust the process. When you feel compelled to act, do so confidently, knowing that this is part of the universe's plan to bring your desires to fruition. Manifestation is a journey, and it's easy to fall into certain traps. Some common pitfalls include doubting the process. When results don't appear immediately, it's easy to lose faith. Remember, the universe operates on its own timeline. Trust that what you've asked for is coming. Focusing on lack. If you constantly focus on what you don't have, you'll attract more lack. Stay focused on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Impatience. Manifestation requires patience. Persist in your assumption and allow the universe to work its magic. Avoid these pitfalls by staying committed to your vision and maintaining a positive, expectant attitude. By asking the universe in this way, through assumption, belief, and feeling, you can manifest anything you want. Remember, the key is to align with the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Maintain unwavering faith and allow the universe to bring your desires to you.